You've probably asked yourself this question at least once. Will my job still be here in 5 years, or will it be replaced by artificial intelligence? No matter how you slice it, AI is changing the course of many career paths, and it's here to stay. But how will AI change customer-facing roles like customer support? Or better yet, how has AI altered the customer support landscape? Customer support has changed significantly over the last decade, the biggest shift being the introduction of AI. We're firm believers in a balance between tech and human touch when it comes to customer success, and the same applies to support too. The goal is for support managers and AI to work in harmony. The evolution of AI and customer support. To understand where we're going, let's look at where we've been. The days of rule-based systems. Remember the days when automated phone systems were the height of support technology? These rule-based systems where you press 1 for billing and 2 for technical support were efficient. But let's be real. They were about as personalized as a canned response. But we still use these systems to access our voicemail messages and phone up services like insurance when you want to speak to a human agent. The rise of chatbots. As we moved into the digital age, chatbots became the new frontier, a brave new world. These early chatbots, however, often missed the mark. They could handle basic queries but struggled with anything complex. It was like trying to have a conversation with a parrot. Lots of repetition with no understanding. Natural language processing, the game changer. The real revolution came with the advancement of natural language processing. All of a sudden, AI could understand context, nuance, and even sarcasm. Now AI helps with things like 24/7 availability. We're not all that patient anymore. Everything is accessible at the click of a button, and AI delivers instant gratification within seconds. AI doesn't need sleep, coffee breaks, or vacation time. It's always on, always ready. This round-the-clock availability is like having a night owl and an early bird on your team at the same time. Data analysis and personalization. A big part of the conversation around AI taking over is that people want AI to replace monotonous jobs rather than creative ones. Art should be for human hands, but masses of data analysis, AI can have that one. The beauty of AI is that it can analyze vast amounts of customer data in seconds, while the human brain can only process so much before overloading. Multilingual support. Language barriers are now a thing of the past. Whether you're in Baltimore or Bangkok, AI chatbots can communicate in multiple languages, making it the polyglot of customer support. The future of AI and customer support. So what does the crystal ball say about the future of AI and customer support? Let's try to gaze into it, shall we? Predictive support. Imagine AI that can anticipate customer issues before they even occur. That's what predictive support is. But can it be done, you ask? The answer is yes. Yes, it can. To achieve this, businesses must integrate AI and design thinking into their core strategy. AI-powered analytics enhance user engagement and automate interactions, while design thinking ensures products are intuitive and user-friendly. This combination allows companies to identify and resolve issues before they become problems in the first place. Augmented reality integration. Augmented reality, or AR, blends the real world with the digital. It's an interactive experience where computer-generated images are layered onto what you're seeing in real life. Think virtual try-ons or Pokemon Go. Emotional intelligence. The holy grail of AI in customer support is developing true emotional intelligence. Can it be achieved by a computer? Possibly. Can it match a human's emotional intelligence quota? Never. Even in the world of deepfakes, there will be no replacement for human interaction. We're a long way from producing an AI that can not only understand emotions, but respond to them correctly. The ethical considerations. But what about the ethics surrounding all this? Some of the most common criticisms of the widespread adoption of AI are privacy concerns. AI systems process vast amounts of personal data. With data collection already being a fragile thing, how do we ensure this information is protected? Transparency. Customers have the right to know when they're interacting with AI. It's about honesty. Job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, what happens to human support agents? So that brings us back to the main question. Will AI kill customer support? The short answer, no. The long answer, it's complicated. AI is not the grim reaper of customer support jobs, but rather a powerful tool that's reshaping the landscape. Much like the calculator, it didn't eliminate mathematicians, it just changed how they work. In the end, the question isn't will AI kill customer support, but rather, how can we use AI to make customer support better than ever? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to learn more about the impact of AI on customer success and support, check out the links in the description below.